For the hand ring, we need our regular size paper clips. They're 28 millimeters, or you can use a piece of 20 gauge wire that's about 4 inches long. We have our round form or a ring cone and our tools. So to get started, we'll just open up the paper clip. Just go slowly and pinch out those little kinks. You can also do this by hand, but I find it easier with the flat pliers. So I'm just going to start and make the fingers. So we're going to go on one end and just bend this down and then back and forth, and we're going to try to make this as small as we can. So just keep bending it back and forth, and we could go in after to adjust it as well. And then we're going to pinch them in. Just pinch them right in so they're as small as you can get them. We'll have one more to do. Make this one as small as you can. And then go in and just keep pinching these closer together. And once you have it like that, we're just going to take this here and bend it straight across. So that looks like a hand. And then we want to take this and just curve it out a little bit. And then we're going to put it on the ring cone or the marker, bring it all the way around. This end we have to round out a little bit. So just take the round pliers and just gently round it out. And then we want to just adjust this so they line up. Make sure that little end is flush with the band. Depending on how big you make the fingers, hopefully the band will go all the way around, and there's your hand ring.